Hello everyone, I welcome you to one more session wherein we'll be discussing CAT level difficult questions. So today I bring to you a question from geometry, particularly polygons. So you can pause the video right now, give this question a try, and then you can listen to the discussion that we shall be having here. I'll be starting the discussion here. So let's get started. It says ABCDEF is a regular hexagon. So hexagon would mean six-sided polygon. And it's also regular, meaning all interior angles and all sides are equal. So if I draw it this way, a rough diagram, a rough representation of a regular hexagon. Okay. So all sides are equal. So say this is A, B, C, D, E, F. Right. It's a rough diagram. Again, I'm repeating this. So ABCDEF is a regular hexagon of area 150 root 3 square units. A rectangle is formed. So how are we forming the rectangle? With one side measuring AC. So this is one side. And the other side measuring AD. So that means one of the sides is equal to the rectangle. One of the sides is going to be the length of the side AC. Whatever this length is, say this is some X. And the other side will be equal to AD, which is going to be a longer side, clearly. AD would be a longer diagonal. Y. So that means the length and breadth of the rectangle are going to be Y and X respectively. Now he's asking us find the area of the rectangle. So basically we want to calculate Y into X. So let's try to do that. Let's see how we can arrive at the answer. So this is a rectangle that we want, and we want to find the area of this rectangle. Now please note, if area of regular hexagon is 150 root 3 square units, that means what? If I break down the the hexagon into several smaller triangles like this, all the vertices join to the center of the hexagon, I would be getting 6 equilateral triangles like this. There would be 6 equilateral triangles. Now why are they equilateral? Because there are 6 such triangles and the angle at the center is 360 degree. Hence each part is going to be 60. And since triangle AOB is an isosceles triangle, if in an isosceles triangle the vertical angle is 60, it turns out to be an equilateral triangle. So it's an equilateral triangle. Let's assume the side length to be A. So what will be area of this equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4, A square. Now there are 6 such triangles into 6. Should be equal to 150 into root 3 square units. So when you simplify this, root 3 cancels out. 6 cancels out 25 times and 4 goes on the other side. A square will be equal to 100. Hence A is going to be side length of the hexagon is going to be 10 units. Now if A is 10, please understand, I'll just clean this all. If A is 10, so this is 10. So this is of course going to be 10. Now if you look at AC, please note that in a regular hexagon, each interior angle is going to be 120 degree. And also notice ABC is an isosceles triangle. That means these angles will be 30 degree each. Correct? Let me just draw that triangle here. Triangle ABC. It's like this. So this is 120. This is 30. And this is also 30. And these lengths are 10 and 10. Now we have a property that in a 30 degree, 120 degree triangle, 30, 30, 120 triangle, the ratio of the opposite sides, opposite of these angles, will be 1:1 root 3. So that means if 30 degree opposite side is 1 unit, 120 degree opposite side is going to be root 3 units. So that means here in this triangle, please note, 30 degree opposite side is 10 units. So 120 degree will be 10 root 3 units. Hence we can conclude the length of AC and hence X is going to be 10 root 3. Okay, that's one thing. Second, we also want to find the Y length here, which is obtained by connecting A to D. Please note, when you join A and D, that AD segment will be passing through the center of the hexagon. Now through the center we know that this triangle OAB was an equilateral triangle. So if this is 10, this is going to be 10. Similarly, we can prove OD also to be 10. Hence, can we say AD, which is Y, is going to be 10 plus 10, which is 20. Now once you know the dimensions of the rectangle, easily the area can be calculated as 10 root 3 into 20, which is 200 root 3 square units. So the option choice A is going to be the correct answer. Alright, there's a small point I would like to just highlight here. Now in a regular polygon, there is a formula that we can make a note of. Right? Area of a regular polygon, it is given as n into a square by 4, where a is a side length and n is the number of sides, into cot 180 degree by n. So in this particular formula, if you put n equal to 6, which is the number of sides for a hexagon, you will get the area of the hexagon that we got here. This is a direct formula that may be used, right? Could have been used in this particular problem. Okay, so with this we have come to the end of the video here. Right? So for more such videos, because we will be uploading many such videos in series, right? So please do subscribe to the channel so that you get notification whenever we upload a new video. So on that note, let me end the session here. Thank you and all the very best.